Hi, I'm Megan from the Megan Scott Real Estate Team, and I am here at our fantastic new listing at 1617 Tipperary Crt. Perfectly situated in one of the most coveted neighborhoods and just steps away from highly regarded Mississauga Golf and Country Club. A rare offering, this 5-bedroom detached executive residence with a 3-car garage is being presented for sale for the first time. Ideally located on a quiet court and backing onto lush green space, it provides complete privacy in one of the most prestigious and desirable areas of Sheridan. Highlights of this home is the curb appeal with an interlocking driveway, mature trees, lush landscaping, and the private backyard oasis. Inside, you will see an abundance of space, perfect for large families where the potentials are endless. Upon entering, you will be welcomed with 9-foot ceilings and an impressive staircase that sets the tone for the elegance that unfolds throughout. The main floor features rich hardwood floors, main floor laundry, side entrance, separate formal living and dining spaces that are adjacent to the updated kitchen, featuring pot lights, wall built-in, granite countertops, complete with a breakfast island, and sliding doors that seamlessly walk out to the backyard retreat with an enormous deck and entertaining space. Next is the open concept oversized family room with a gas fireplace surrounded by 100-year-old reclaimed brick. Alongside is the private den that is ideal for a home office or future in-law suite. Follow me upstairs to a striking skylight that floods the second floor with natural lighting. The primary bedroom offers a private sanctuary with a Renault spa-inspired 5-piece ensuite. Dual walk-in closets and a serene balcony overlooking the lush backdrop. 3 additional spacious bedrooms complete the upper level, with the 3rd bedroom offering a private renovated ensuite bathroom and the 4th bedroom featuring a convenient semi-ensuite. The finished basement expands the living space that includes large above-grade windows, cold cellar, an additional bedroom and bathroom, recreational area, with the gas fireplace and bar. The special thing about this property is that it's been exceptionally maintained by one owner. Set on a premium pie-shaped lot, this backyard oasis offers an ideal retreat for entertaining, with an expansive deck in a secluded setting. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.